Hi guys, welcome to a quick episode of Luke's Garage where we're going to have a look at the V-wheels on the HDZ. So as I mentioned in a few emails, these V-wheels are slightly heavier duty than those of the standard S3, but as a result they have this sort of W-like shape where the edges protrude. Now if you have a standard S3 with 9mm belts, there's a high chance it's going to hit on here. And you can see on mine, I've got a few little dings in there where it's been rubbing against the belt mount. Now to stop that, what you need to do is get a 3.5mm drill bit, remove your bracket, your belt bracket, and clear out the powder coat. That will give you a little bit of wiggle room just to move the belt to the left slightly or backwards, and therefore clearing it. I know that's very difficult to see, but there is a tiny amount of clearance. Now if I go to the other side of mine, just to show you what it looks like, if you haven't got it cleared, past that. So I've had to move mine into position just to do it. See, it's hit that belt clip. Now again, to allow it to move past that, all you need to do is drill out the holes on the powder coated part. Anyway guys, I hope that's useful, and I'm really keen to see these HDZs installed. Any issues, just hit me up. Cheers.